using this to work the indents in this. So hopefully this will work better. You got little bitty grooves, and these jaws don't like the small grooves. If this don't work, then I'll just throw it away. I got more. You can see how right here, focus. Let's see. Yeah. See, those are smaller than those. And that's why, I suppose, I want these to grow. So, here's a little pipe saw. I'm just gonna try to make it work. If it don't work, well, we tried. I don't know what to look for next time. And better equipment. I guess we should give it a demonstration. So, those compared to these, and these, this mechanism, wow, that's way better, as opposed to, well, it doesn't really work, and I'll show it. So, let's try to clamp down this vise. Yeah, it's not on the big ones. See, when I screw this in, this slips on the small teeth. Where are we at? So not big. Yeah, that's over 2. Handy to have a good demonstration. Put this back in. I'll smell it right here. Alright. And darn. I thought that would work. No, still doesn't work. Maybe I should try this side. Let's try it right where I'm testing it. So I don't have to go through and try it all the way down. See if it works. It's right there. It's right there. Alright. See how this pipe works. Pipe saw. Maybe this side that needs the bigger grooves. Oh, science. Almost like sharpening a chainsaw. That should be enough to verify. Okay, let's get that over here. Huh. Okay, that should work. Oh, wow. It's not moving. So it's this side I should be working on. I'm really pleased with those results, although on further observations, yeah, they were on both teeth I had stretched out, or rather deepened. So my theory works, as long as it's on both sides. I'm going to go ahead and have a little fun, finish this up, but that's what I'm doing.